So happy afternoon.
Happy afternoon.
Yes. We have one more person who is doing his debut. Can we give a hand Adithyaa is the part of our academy. He has come to learn communication and sales communication acting. 8 days he's completed and another 2 more days. This is his 10th
day.
10th day perhaps. So he started because he's leaving to UK. He wanted to improve his communication, wanted to make sure that he's able to express, to impress people and all the other skills and all the things. He is coming and saying, big round of applause. So how many of you ready for the game? Say hi. Hi. Please give all his love and support to Adithyaa. It's his first time. Adithyaa, over to you. Yeah.
By the show of hands, how many are ready for the game? Say hi.
Hi.
More energy, guys.
Hi.
I need my energy. Give.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you. Welcome to the game time. The game name is Green Pyramid. The objective of the game is very easy. We'll give you 2 puzzles. You should join them together and you should make a 4-edged pyramid. Okay? 4-edged pyramid. 3 in the bottom and 1 in the top. Okay? You have 2 minutes of time. Whichever team completes first will have 200 points. Our team will give you the pyramid until we say to start. Don't start. If anyone touches the pyramid, the team will get disqualified. You can start, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop.
Time up. Please keep the puzzle down. Keep the puzzle down.
Anyone else? No one. Ask ma'am. Please.
Please.
Okay. In the puzzle, there's 2 squares. Okay? You can get it. That's the clue.
I will ask you a clue one more time.
I mean, this shape is not.
See, if you see the puzzles, I think different size, correct? Different shape. That's similar. It's not exactly square. It's just similar like a square. You both the pieces are similar like a square, and joined them together like homemade chocolate, like a homemade chocolate. If anybody big fan of BTS, they know this is the BTS symbol. Okay, this is step number 1. After that, there's a simple twist. Again, simple.
Twist.
You will get the puzzle. Start. Let's go. Big order for Adithyaa. Thank you so much. The puzzle time.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.